Hey everyone, welcome to the exciting world of hydroponics. Imagine picking fresh, juicy tomatoes right from your kitchen. No soil, no mess. Picture this. It's the middle of winter, snow is falling outside, and yet you're harvesting vibrant, red tomatoes from your indoor garden. Sounds wild, right? It might seem like something out of a science fiction movie, but it's totally achievable with hydroponics. That's hydroponics for you, a revolutionary way to cultivate plants. Hydroponics is a way of growing plants using water, nutrients, and a little bit of science, no dirt required. Instead of relying on soil to deliver essential elements, we provide them directly to the roots through a carefully balanced nutrient solution. It's cleaner, faster, and honestly pretty fun. Plus, it opens up a whole new world of possibilities for urban gardening and sustainable food production. So why go hydroponic instead of sticking with old-school soil? What are the real advantages of making the switch? First off, plants grow up to 50% faster in hydroponic systems. You'll be harvesting your delicious crops in almost half the time, because their roots get exactly what they need, right when they need it. No more searching for nutrients in the soil. This targeted approach leads to vigorous growth and abundant yields. Plus, you use way less water, up to 90% less. Hydroponic systems recycle water, minimizing waste and making it an environmentally friendly choice. No weeds, no heavy digging, and your back will thank you. Say goodbye to hours spent toiling in the garden, battling weeds and aching muscles. Ready to give it a try? Awesome! Let's walk through growing tomatoes at home using hydroponics the easy way. We'll break down each step so you can confidently set up your own system and enjoy homegrown tomatoes in no time. Step 1. Gather your supplies. Having everything ready before you start will make the process smooth and enjoyable. You'll need a container, think a bucket or a storage tote, anything that can hold water and won't leach harmful chemicals, a small aquarium pump, some net pots, clay pebbles, hydroponic nutrients, and tomato seedlings. Choose healthy seedlings from a local nursery or start your own from seed. Don't forget a grow light if you don't get much sun indoors. Tomatoes need plenty of light to thrive, so a grow light is essential for indoor setups. Step 2. Set up your system. This is where the magic happens. Fill your container with water and add the nutrients according to the instructions. Don't eyeball it, trust me. Precise measurements are crucial for providing the right balance of nutrients to your plants. Place your net pots in the container's lid, pop in the seedlings, and surround them with clay pebbles for support. The clay pebbles will anchor the seedlings and provide a stable base for their roots to grow. Hook up your pump to keep the water moving and oxygenated. Oxygen is essential for healthy root development, and the pump ensures a constant supply. Step 3. Light it up. Time to give your tomatoes the sunshine they crave. Tomatoes love light, so keep your grow light on for about 14 to 16 hours a day if you're indoors. This will simulate the long summer days that tomatoes thrive in. If you've got a sunny windowsill, even better. Supplement the natural light with a grow light for optimal results. Now for the best part, maintenance is super chill. Hydroponics is designed to be low maintenance, so you can spend less time working and more time enjoying your garden. Check the water level every few days and top it off as needed. Maintaining the correct water level ensures that the roots are always submerged in the nutrient solution. Every couple of weeks, swap out the nutrient solution to keep things fresh. This prevents the buildup of harmful bacteria and ensures that your plants receive a consistent supply of nutrients. Keep an eye out for any funky smells or slimy roots. If you spot them, change the water and clean things up. These are signs of potential problems, and early detection is key to preventing disease. Within weeks, you'll see strong, healthy plants, and soon after, flowers and baby tomatoes. Get ready to witness the amazing transformation from seedling to fruit-bearing plant, all right in your own home, with barely any mess. Enjoy the beauty and bounty of your hydroponic garden without the hassle of traditional gardening. So whether you've got a tiny apartment or just want to geek out on gardening, hydroponics is the way to go. It's a versatile and rewarding method that can be adapted to any space and skill level. It's easy, it's efficient, and you get to eat what you grow. There's nothing quite like the taste of homegrown tomatoes, especially when you've grown them yourself using hydroponics. Give hydroponics a shot. Your kitchen and your taste buds will thank you. You'll be amazed at the delicious and nutritious produce you can grow with this innovative method. Happy growing. And remember, don't be afraid to experiment and have fun with your hydroponic garden.